happy with my dust.
It's a little dirty.
So these pockets back here were a real pain in the ass. So I even have paper in there and it still got some dust.
Not anything we can't correct.
Yeah. Well, you're wet sanding the whole thing bottom to top anyways, so all good. Easy for me to say, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna count them all for you.
But I see how easy you make it look, so.
That color is...
It's pretty cool.
It doesn't show. It's not as deep, I feel, in... It's very dark. Like, that's black. Standing from here, that whole area is black. And then purple, blue, deep blue, black.
It was a lot darker before I laid the mid coat on it, but he wanted it to pop.
It looks really good. It's gonna pop with the sun a lot.
Yeah. So, time to unmask it, and we're gonna pull it around to the clean side of the shop.
I'm stuck on you. I'm stuck on you. I'm stuck on you.
Wow, I need a longer extension.
Here.
I need a little bit longer.
There you go. Add that to it. Having fun?
Yeah. Feels great. Oh.
So, this kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of what you got to go through to get this trim off on this Bel Air. So she said she got this side off, but it's still on here. Oh, you still got to remove it.
The screw on the underside I have to get off first.
Gotcha.
Oh, that's, yeah. Get off both of them.
Yeah, that looks fun.
Yeah, it's great. Love it.
thing. So we got one more stage of micro polish left to go, but we're gonna do that right before it leaves. We got the badges on it, the hood, obviously. Got the mirror, T-tops, all the seals. They sent us 2 driver's side door handles for whatever reason, so we only have the driver's side on. Got the letters. It's time to strip this. So we're going to be stripping this all the way back down to bare metal. So the cab was already done by a previous shop, but didn't do the very best job. So we're going to just take it down to metal and restart. So you can kind of see how wavy it is. But we can't really trust what's underneath of it. So we're going to go ahead and get this stripped down using a combination of this, which is like a surface conditioning tool, and this with our 80 grit discs. So that's how we're gonna strip most of it. Finishing up final fitment on this thing. So getting all the gaps where we want it. Getting all the little waves and various imperfections taken care of and fixed. And I believe this one probably will be the next in the boot. So I need to pull that striker forward just a little bit, and also we gotta put the hood on just to make sure that's where we want it. All right, it is the next morning and we got that stud in the fender. And now our fitment is great. Side to side, doesn't bow out anymore. And the gap is good. It's not digging the hood anymore. This looks good. And this side, same thing. So we are about ready to pull it all apart and start prepping for final paint. All right, doors are off and fenders are off. We got all our final body work done. We got the edge seam sealed and both sides are like this. So now we're just gonna go ahead and disassemble the dash and prep the interior and get it ready. We're gonna paint this in a couple of different stages. So I'm painting all of this at once, probably along with the roof at the same time. And then I'm gonna do the inside all at once too. I'm probably doing the inside first and then the jambs along with the insides of the doors and all that. So we'll show you.
Sometimes I think about myself. I wish I was somewhere else, far from my fear, anxiety, far from my weakness. I could be gone, but I'm just afraid. I refuse to fix the problem and I think I can carry on. You can lie, you can try, but you'd like to leave this feeling. We've got to breathe, to dig, to leave the life we are dreaming. It could go wrong, but I'm just a nest. You must be lonely, but you could be crazy if you keep looking down. Don't you cry no more,
Even if I hate my
no more.
even if I want the more.
All dry and pulled out of the booth. What do you think?
I love the color.
You like it?
It's really pretty. I like it.
So obviously these are just the insides of the doors and jambs. So this is a high impact clear coat. It's a little more durable, but not quite as glossy. But that's okay. Like I said, it's just jambs. So today we're gonna get this in the booth, paint the inside, and I guess that'll probably be in the next video, huh? Okay, so thank you guys for watching.
Tears is in mine. Sometimes I think about myself and I wish me the best, but I just think I'm missing a voice and skills, I must confess. I'm speaking in English, but I'm just French. I would like to speak better at a better fine rhyme.